story is called King of Mystery and the Imposter Princess by students at Price Elementary. Once upon a time, in a vast desert, there was a three-headed pink lion with wings named King of Mystery. King of Mystery was not very good, and he was extremely angry because there was an imposter in his castle. A good-hearted princess had taken over his castle and his crown in an attempt to help out the country. King of Mystery didn't know much about the princess, but he knew that she liked to wear green dresses. And she liked to put his magical diamond crown on top of her blonde head of hair as she addressed his subjects from his castle. She didn't even know that the crown was magical. What a waste. It made him so very, very angry, even though he could see that the people in the desert were so much happier with the princess ruling over them. One night, King of Mystery had had quite enough. He decided to fly into the castle and take back what was rightfully his. He picked a time about an hour before she was to address the citizens of the desert because he knew that she would be putting on her makeup and might be distracted enough by the task to miss him flying over the outer wall. King of Mystery was correct that she was putting on her makeup, but he didn't realize that she was already wearing the magical crown. In a panic, the princess started throwing her makeup and brushes at him as fast as she could. Those are the sounds of her throwing things. Whoosh! The magical powers of the crown amplified her efforts, and soon the makeup and power and brushes formed into a huge destructive tornado, which quickly got out of control. The tornado sucked up both the princess and King of Mystery and started to destroy the entire castle and village. Both King of Mystery and the princess knew they needed to stop the destruction before it ruined the entire country. Mystery knew he had to reveal the secret of the crown so that the princess could stop the storm. As they twisted around in the tornado, he grabbed her hand with his paw and told her that the secret was that the crown had full elemental power and told her what to do to stop the tornado. She was able to do as he instructed and stopped the tornado. In the aftermath, King of Mystery looked around at the ruined castle and village homes. He was very sad, and so was the princess. The princess said, "I think that this will take both of us to help the country recover from our fight." And she put his crown back on his head. With the magic of the crown, King of Mystery was able to put the castle and the village back together, and the princess helped to organize and get supplies. They became good friends through the rebuilding process and decided to help each other make a desert a great place for everyone to live together. And so, the King of Mystery went from a monstrous tyrant into a good king with the help of his good new friend, the princess. Everyone lived happily ever after.